Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah Rabbul Alamin, Al-Maidi, and salawat to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family. First of all, I introduce myself. I am Dr. Muhammad Akil Musi, S.Pd, M.Pd, is a lecturer at the postgraduate program in the Department of Early Childhood Education, Makassar State University. On the best opportunity as a presenter on international conference on science and advanced technology organized by LP2IM Makassar State University. Alright, I will be present a research entitled Partnership Program in Early Childhood Education. As an introduction, I will explain the partnership program in early childhood education is very important in order to develop institutional quality, including the importance of involving all elements in early childhood education institution, three-center education like teacher, parent, and school. This is a very crucial, including the relationship between the education units with parent as the first and the foremost educator in early childhood development. Parents are the primary and most important educator, but also the most unprepared because they have to find their own information and knowledge about how to grow and support the children education in a positive way. In the fact, parents have a very big role in the children's education. The success of the children's education depends on family involvement. Based on the background of the problem, the aim of this study is to determine the implementation of partnership programs in early childhood education, including how to the factor that support in the implementation of partnership program in early childhood education as an important part in the child development. Method research. The type and approach this research is descriptive, qualitative for the examine and describe the subject in the social context. The qualitative research has characteristics that can reveal a number of meaning in value, culture, and the social context. State that qualitative research was rich in the term of exploration of an object. This research was conducted at the PAUD Islam Terpadu Wahdatul Ummah Makassar. The analysis research using an interactive models analysis as proposed by Miles and Haberman 1994, which consists collection, reduction, presentation, verification, and conclusion. Result and discussion. In this research, I was found several form how to implementing partnership program in early childhood education. I refer to as the five C's, namely communication models, form of connection, ways of collaboration, community formation, and consultation. Discussion. Communication is set in place alternative method of parent-teacher interview when personal circumstances prevent parent from attending a face-to-face meeting, including option for the telephone and email contact. Connection is the examine the way in which parents and families can encourage, motivate, and reinforce children learning in the school. Next, community, how to create connection with local health and welfare services to facilitate access to such support for the school community members. Next, consultative arrange for the school community to be consulted on new school policy, assessment, reporting, and curriculum change. Collaboration is gather free file information and access for student and family on community health, culture, recreational, the social support, and other program on services. Conclusion. Based on the analysis, finding, and discussion, I can be conclude that the implementation of the partnership program in Wahdatul Ummah Makassar integrated Islamic on the early childhood education is based on its principle and application. The partnership principle implemented is support and cooperation between family and the school. The partnership models developed is the 5 C's, which include communication, connection, community, consultation, and collaboration. Opportunity and challenge in the term of implementing the partnership program cannot be separated from the support of various parties, including the community and the government, as an important part of the early childhood education system. In the end, I would like to express my special gratitude for the rector UNM and the chairman LP2IM UNM, who have given us the opportunity as researchers the implementation of this research program. This is an important opportunity for us to develop science and technology so that can benefit the progress of the nation and in the Indonesian state. Thanks for attention. I'm sorry for mistakes. Wallahul muwaffiq ila aqwamit thariq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.